Hey traders, welcome back. If you've already watched the initial CYMO Pro setup video, this is your official sequel, and trust me, you're going to want to take notes. We're going to build two separate charts, one to capture the cyclic component of price, and one to lock in on the trend swings. Let's get started with the cycle chart. First up, double-click on your CYMO indicator and set the value of the length to 7. This setting does an excellent job of tracking the cyclic behavior of price, the ebb and flow that most traders miss when they're only looking for trends. Click Apply and OK. Next, we're going to overlay ScalpMO twice. For the first instance of ScalpMO, set the length to 16. Click on Apply. Scroll down and then find the acceleration line. Change the color of the acceleration line to transparent. Click Apply and OK. Next, add your second instance of ScalpMO. Set this one to 9. Now scroll down and find the wave line and the zero line. Set them both to transparent. Click Apply and OK. Then, manually drag the purple line, which is the acceleration line, over the wave line and make sure it's scaled to the right. So just click on the purple line and then drag it onto the blue line, just like that. Then double click on the purple line, look under Scale Justification and make sure it's set to right. Click Apply and OK. This setup gives you the best of both worlds. The wave gives you the rhythm, while the acceleration line gives you the short-term velocity of price. Now let's add some thresholds. Set a region Y threshold. Set it from 0.43 to negative 0.43. Click on the outer edges of the region Y threshold you just placed. Then change the start Y value to 0.43 and the end Y value to negative 0.43. Now change the colors to light steel blue. Click Apply and OK. Next, we're going to add two reference lines. Right-click on your chart and under Drawing Tools, select Horizontal Line. Place one above the zero line and double-click on it to open its settings. Set the value to 0.90 and then the color of the line will be red. Click Apply and OK. Next, do the same thing and set it under the zero line. And change this setting to negative 0.90. Change the color of this bottom line to green. Click Apply and OK. These help you visually bracket the extremes and keep your signals clean. Now, one final touch. We're going to add a third instance of the dynamic VWAP indicator, but this one's tuned specifically for cycles. Go to your indicator list and find the dynamic VWAP indicator. You would click on the indicator and you would click Add to add it to your list here of the indicators on your chart. Since I already have it, I have it here on my configured list. And what you want to do is you would just click on the dynamic VWAP right there, and you would change the settings as follows. You would set the window size to 15, set the resistance multiplier to 1, and the bottoms multiplier to 1. Next, scroll down to the colors. Under Support VWAP, change the color to cyan. Under the Resistance VWAP, change the color to cyan. For the bottoms VWAP, set the color to transparent. Click Apply, and OK. Now, as a finishing touch, go to your main gold VWAP line and set the bottom's multiplier to 1.25. So go to the golden line, double click on it, and under bottom's multiplier, set the value to 1.25. And then make sure you are on the golden line by checking the colors down here to see that this is in fact the golden line. Click Apply and OK. That wraps up your cycle chart, built for swinging rhythms, short bursts, and identifying the market's hidden beat. Now, let's move on to your trend chart. This one is leaner, focused, and designed to capture clear directional moves. We'll begin by tweaking the dynamic VWAP. Double-click on the dynamic VWAP. Set the window size to 20. Set the resistance multiplier to 2, and the bottom's multiplier to 1.25. And this is important, make sure the breakout delay toggle is unchecked. We want early confirmation of a breakout, not delayed validation. Click Apply and OK. Now, open up CYMO by double-clicking on the indicator. Set the length to 14. The maximum bars look back to 256. Click Apply and OK. And set your reference lines at the top red and at the bottom green. And the values for those lines for the top one should be 0.9. The bottom is negative 0.8, and that one's green. Next, you would drop in one instance of ScalpMO. Double-click on it once you've plotted it, and set the length to 14. Then scroll down to the colors, and set your acceleration line to transparent. Click Apply and OK. Next, you would set a region-wide threshold here in the middle. You would double-click on it, and you would set the start Y to 0.43 and the end Y to negative 0.43. You would also set both the colors to light steel blue. Once you do that, you click Apply and OK. The final step is to add the reference lines for ScalpMO. You would right-click on your chart, go to Drawing Tools, click on Horizontal Line, and you would plot the top red line and the bottom green line. The top red line is 0.9, and the bottom green line is negative 0.9. And that's it. Your trend chart is now optimized to give you clarity on directional moves without the noise. Now you've got both a cycle chart and a trend chart dialed in and ready to go. Use them side by side, one to anticipate turns and the other to ride the waves. Before you go, one last thing. To truly master this process, you must watch the playlist on how to hunt elephants. It's linked right at the end of this video. That series will teach you how to spot the early onset of trends with surgical precision. And more importantly, it'll keep you from wasting your time in the bushes chasing squirrels. So hit play on that next video and I'll see you there. Stay sharp and trade smart.